In this video, I want to test about how shield's damage absorption works in general. But as I did the test, I found that Noelle's shield works a little bit different, so I will also show it here. Okay, let's get to it. What is damage absorption? To put it simply, it is the HP of the shield. In Noelle's case, HP absorption is calculated based on her total defense as shown here. So you can imagine that the shield has a health bar like this. And it will be depleted as you take damage. Now let's see how the calculation actually works. As shown above, for my Noelle, the formula would be 304% times Noelle's total defense, and then added by 1,828. Now let's see my Noelle's total defense. Okay, it's 1,047. Now let's calculate Noelle's shield's HP absorption. 304% times 1,047 plus 1,828 equals to 5,010. But wait, it's not done yet. In the skill description is written, possesses 150% damage absorption efficiency against all elemental and physical damage. It basically means, the shield will absorb 50% more damage than it's supposed to be. Or to be exact, the damage received while using shield is reduced by 1/3. Now let's putting it to the test. As you can see here, Noelle took 3,228 damage per hit. And the shield could perfectly defend it twice against the attacks. The shield was broken at the third hit and Noelle took 2,169 damage. Let's count whether my earlier calculation was right. HP absorption was 5,105. Minus 2,152 damage from the first hit. 2,152 is calculated from original damage of 3,228 that is reduced by 1/3. Minus 2,152 again from second hit. Now there is only 706 HP left. Minus 2,152 damage from the third hit. Since there is only 706 HP absorption left, the rest of the damage will be taken by Noelle. But look here, the damage doesn't match. Remember, this 1,446 damage is actually a reduced damage caused by the shield. But since the shield is already broken at this point, the damage will not be reduced again and will convert it back to the original damage. If 1,446 is 2/3 of the original damage, then original damage would be 1,446 times 1.5, which is 2,169. And now it matches perfectly with the actual damage shown here. But wait, it's still not done yet. There is still a stat called shield strength here. In earlier test, the shield strength is 0%. You can get shield strength from weapon, artifact, and elemental resonance. Let me show you again, slowly this time, from the beginning. This weapon increases shield strength by 20%. And here, we can see it applied already in the stat. Second, we can get it from artifact. 2-piece set effect of retracing bowlight will give 35% shield strength. And now, I have 50% shield strength in the stat. Third, you can get from elemental resonance from 2 geo characters. And now, I have a total of 70% shield strength. And shield strength 70% means that the shield will absorb 70% more than it's supposed to be. Or in another word, the damage will be reduced to 1 divided by 170% or reduced by around 41.17%. Let's count Noelle's HP absorption with the new equipments. Defense is 1,538. So HP absorption is 304% times 1,538 plus 1,828 equals to 6,503. Let's putting it to test again. As you can see here, the damage is 3051. Let's count how many times can Noelle's shield defended perfectly against the attacks. As you can see, Noelle's shield can defend it perfectly for 5 times. Original damage is 3051, but because now the shield efficiency has increased by Noelle's talent and shield strength, the damage will be reduced by 1/3 and then reduced again by around 41.17%. First shielded damage is 3051 minus 1/3 times 3051 equals to 2034. Then the second shielded damage is 2034 minus 41.17% times 2034 equals to 1197. Now we know how much damage will be absorbed by the shield for each hit. Time for putting it to the test again. Noelle's shield's HP absorb is 6503. Minus 1197 from the first hit. Minus 1197 from the second hit. Minus 1197 from the third hit. Minus 1197 from the fourth hit. Minus 1197 from the fifth hit. At the sixth hit, the shield was broken because the damage is bigger than the rest of the shield's HP absorption. 679 damage here is the reduced damage by the shield effect. But because the shield has broken and the effect are gone, we will need to convert it back to the original damage. Original damage is calculated from shielded damage times 150% times 170%. 679 times 150% times 170% equals to 1731. The result here is not exactly the same, most likely because of rounding up some numbers in the equation, but I believe you understand the gist right now.